Hello and welcome to Academy for You. In this tutorial, today I'm going to tell you how can you do screen recording on PowerPoint. If you do some kind of screen recording and then you can put it into your PowerPoint slide. So I'm going to tell you the process and the options how can you do that. And it is very important sometimes that in the presentation you are going to present something, some kind of screen recording in your slides. So in order to do that, let's start it. So this is my PowerPoint slides. Like you can see that I have two slides as of now. And in this first slide, I'm going to put the screen recording. And for that, you need to go to the option called Insert. And in the menu bar, you have a lot of options. So you need to go to the option called Insert. Then you can see at the end the screen recording. So you need to click on it. So once you click on it, like it can take you to the screen wherever you want to do the recording. Like this is my Google page, and suppose you can actually select the area. You can see, just click on the select area, and then you can draw how much position you want to record. So in this area you can actually do the recording, or whatever the page you put it, whatever the things you want to record, you can just do the recording and then click on the record. So this will actually take you to the recording, and here actually you can start recording. You can do whatever things you want to search for. You can teach whatever things you want to present in your slides. And after that, after you've done the recording, then you need to stop it. So in order to stop it, you need to click on Windows Shift and Q. So once you've done that, look that your this Google slide has inserted into the slide, into this page, and you can see at the bottom here this voice has been inserted. And here actually you can start recording. You can do whatever things you want to search for. You can teach whatever things you want to present in your slides. So this is the way how you can do it. Similarly, you can do in other slides also what you want to present and what you want to include. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, and see you later with next tutorial.